In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Additional Settings. Following that, select Keyboard and Input Method. Tap on Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Now just select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!